Marshals out to the track, guys. You should already be in position. We're ready to go. Marshals to the track, please. Marshals, let's go. Ruffy Rios, Brian Geis, Ken Bills, Dan Wachowski, Jim Hess, Tracy's in this race, Danny White, Jordan Gadby, Terry Latch, and Tom Ryan. Do I have anybody right here? Nobody? I need somebody right here in front of the driver's stand. Yeah, he's on top of the hill though. Thank you. Racers ready. Marshals ready for the win. Two-wheel drive stock truck in less than 5. Tilar Pollock been dominating here today. Looking to wrap it up. Easy, guys, easy. Gonna get a lot of pressure here from Walter Cruz. Walter going through that drop-down section right behind him. Easy in the back of the back, guys. Leader going down that front straightaway, and that's going to be Walter Cruz that's able to slip past Tilar Pollock. Still a lot of racing left to go. Tilar Pollock with a very fast truck. Walter Cruz in that Team Associated T4.2. Tried and true. Look like Tilar's going to slip past him there for just a minute. Looks like, oh man, Tilar does. What a nice pass from Tilar Pollock. And he's able to work his way back around. Walter Cruz, now Walter with a great pass. Great racing going on here between these two guys. Tilar Pollock slips back past. Walter all over the back of him. 1 and 2 through the drop-down section now. Kyosho leading Team Associated. Oh, Tilar into the pipe. And he gets a turbo there from Walter. Walter able to slip past. Walter bouncing off the pipe. These guys are driving hard for the win here. Can't see what's going on over there. I heard somebody say, oh, it looks like Tilar Pollock's going to be the one that comes out on top as he is out in the race lead. Here he comes in the serpent. It's going to be Erik Everett in the 3 spot now. 1, 2, and 3. Starting to close the gap on each other. 3:13 to go, 3:13 left to go. Tilar Pollock into Kyosho out in front. Team Associated from Walter Cruz running in that 2 spot. And the Serpent in the 3 spot. Tracy Proctor running in the 4, Joe Barbera in the 5, Aaron Sikes in the 6, Carver in the 7, Jeff in the 8, Polk in the 9, and Kevin Abbott running in the 10. Walter Cruz just turned a 31.8 fast lap. So he is looking to knock down our race leader. He is flying out there trying to make up every little inch that he can. Race cap last time by was 2.4 seconds. They're coming around, fixing across the line here in just a moment. We're going to see where we're at. Doesn't look like he's able to close that gap very much here. Tilar actually opens it up 3.1 seconds, so Tilar pulls away on that lap. Tilar just ran a 31.9 to Walter Cruz 32.7. So Tilar now starting to stretch his legs. Going down that front straightaway. Really starting to stretch it out now. Bump up the ball cup. Bump up the ball cup on that truck. $1:30 to go. $1:30 to go. Tilar Pollock out in front with Walter Cruz running in that number 2 spot. Erik Everett in the 3 spot. Joe Barbera in the 4. Tracy in the 5. Aaron Sikes in the 6. Johnson in the 7. Jeff Lynch in the 8. One minute left. 60 seconds left to go.
Oh, come on, guys.
Big lead, 30 seconds left to go. Tyler putting on a show here. Long time coming here for Tilar Pollock. He's been very fast in stadium truck over the years and has had the worst run of luck of late. And has really been turning it on in stadium truck these last two races. On his victory lap now, nobody's going to catch him. 5 seconds left to go on the race clock. Tilar Pollock way out in front. Looks like Erik Everett has split past right at the line and going to take it away from Walter Cruz. So Erik Everett finishes up in the 2 spot. Walter Cruz in the 3 spot. Going over the double-double in the back left-hand corner is Tilar Pollock going through that drop-down now for the double for the final time across the roller and across the start-finish line. Tilar Pollock takes the win here at two-wheel drive stock truck. Just waiting on Jeff to come across, make it official. There we go. That is a race. All right, guys, two-wheel drive modified truck, two-wheel drive modified truck. Let's get them out there as quick as possible, please. Two-wheel drive modified truck, as quick as possible, please. Marshall's come right out to the track. We're running out of daylight very quickly. It's going to start getting slick in this left-hand corner before we know it.
I did it one more race.